Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will learn what makes an image in a digital camera and the AV mode. For a digital camera to register a picture, it needs light. Light surrounds the subject or on the subject and bounces to the subject or an object. Without light, the camera only sees darkness or black. Three different functions add light to the camera: ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. When you're working on a manual setting, you have to set ISO, aperture, and shutter speed before you can take a picture. If you use an AV mode, aperture priority, it will be easier to learn. In the aperture priority, you set the aperture and ISO. The camera will select the best shutter speed for the image. Why shoot in AV mode? You can change quickly. Plus, in the AV mode, you can control the depth of field. What does that mean? You can control what is clear and what is blurred. Many wedding photographers use this mode. Let's turn the main down to AV and turn on your camera. Flip out the LCD screen. Press the camera icon to turn on the live view so you can see the image right away. Now your screen should have the AV F something. I have F22, ISO 100, and the image on the screen is very dark. You need more light for the camera to capture the image. You can do it two ways. Use the LCD screen or an AV button with the down knob on the top of your camera. Let's change from the LCD screen. You should see the screen with number 1611A all the way up to 1.8. So let us down one digit at a time. When there's enough light, you will see the image. Well, I have set the aperture to its limit. No worry, we can use the exposure compensation as a bonus for today's lesson. Increase the light, we need to move toward 0 and positive number. Usually it should be on 0, but for this demonstration, I set it to -5. Do you remember that we can change two things in the setting, aperture and ISO? Let's do another test changing the ISO setting. See what happens when we increase the ISO? It adds more light. And what else to the picture? Remember to take notes. Test out your f-stop. Try different distance, close to and further away from the subject to see what you will get. Next video, we will talk about several ways to focus your image. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.